Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kyra and today we are doing the Choose Your Own Adventure in Project Panning update. This project is in collaboration with my girl Angela from Beauti By Angela, so I will have her information linked down in the description box as always. In this project, we can do whatever the frank we want to do, and that makes it sort of a rolling project pan, but we can roll things in and out at will. We've just agreed to keep 5 products in the project at all times, and that they're all makeup or nail polish. So let's get into it. I did finish one product, but overall not a huge amount of progress on the other things. However, I did roll in several things this month. Some of you may remember or realize that I missed my update in June. I had taken some time off for personal reasons at the end of June, and so I just decided to go ahead and skip that update versus trying to knock out a ton of videos right when I came back from my break. So this is kind of a 2-month update for progress in both June and July. So let's go ahead and start with the empty, and that is my Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in the shade Rose Gold, and it is all gone. The last teeny tiny little nubbin did finally break and give way from the plastic component inside, but I finished it. I used this up mostly as an eyeshadow base, and I probably would not repurchase a product like that again. And then we still have the stinking Makeup Forever blush. I did use this a ton in June, but I have not used it at all in July, so I still didn't hit pan. I don't know. I'm really super close to rolling this out and working on a different blush that I would prefer, but I'm going to kind of wait and see this month if I can make more progress on this. And then the last product that was already in the project is my Pixie by Petra Repressed Highlight. Looks like this. I am so close to hitting pan on this. It's not even funny. You can see there's quite a dip here. So I'm excited. I expect to have pan next month, which is my goal for this product. And I'm pretty excited about that. I think that's fun. So let's talk about the things that I am rolling in. First, I am rolling in my Tarte, what do they call this? Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. I did already hit pan and expand pan on my number 7 bronzer earlier this year. So I am rolling this in because I'm kind of trying to keep a blush, a bronzer, and a highlight that I'm working on in this project at all times. I have been using this throughout July, however I didn't take a starting photo, but I will have a photo as it looks today. And my goal again is to hit pan on this product. I love this bronzer, so I'm not like in a hurry to see it go. But like I said, I'm trying to make progress in those color face category products. And I'm enjoying using this one. It's a great one for summer. And then another powder product is the Stellar Cosmic Face Glow Loose Powder. I have mine in the shade Glow 02. I have drawn a line on the back where I measured it out when I started with this product in July. So I have a ton of loose powder, and if I'm being honest, to me, pressed powder is just so much easier. I do have the Laura Mercier loose powder, which I love, so I just as soon start working the loose powders out of my collection one by one, and I'm starting with this one because it is the oldest. I have 2 lip products. The first one, again, I've been using in July, but I never did take a picture or measure it, so I'll be doing that today, and it is the Trace Steak Mini Lip Glaze in the shade Paris Pink. This is just like a corally, sheer, balmy product, and this is all of the product I have left. This is very comfortable on the lips, so I've been keeping it in my kitchen almost as like a chapstick that I can just grab when I'm out there and add moisture to my lips. And then The return of a previous Project Pan fail is my NARS Orgasm Lipstick Mini. I have this much left, and I really would like to finish this up this summer. It's pretty, but it's just not my jam when it comes to a lip color. I don't love the formula. I don't love the way it looks on my lips. It has a very strong golden shift. I guess I could swatch it for you like I did the other one, huh? It's funny because these are very similar, but hopefully you can see here, this has a very strong gold shift, and I just do not like the look of it on my lips, so I want to work through that one. And that is my short and sweet update for Choose Your Own Adventure in Project Panning for the months of June and July. I'm really hoping to make some really good progress through the month of August, and you know, I'm enjoying the products that are in this project. Again, I'd like to see myself hit pan on this highlighter before next month, and I think I could probably finish up this Trace Lippy before next month as well, and then we can roll in some new goodies. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for spending some of your time with me today. And I hope all of your makeup days are absolutely beautiful Project Panning makeup days. And I will see you in my next video.